Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Today I want to share with you my vintage book collection. I have managed to put them all in one place now, and I have a couple of bookcases in my conservatory, which also has the lawnmower in. Excuse the garden as it's a bit of a mess at the moment. Let's concentrate on the book, shall we? So I have three bookcases, that one there, and another one here. So I just wanted to go through that some of the books with you and show you the kind of books that I use in my journals, etc. So up here we have some old books, atlases. Here, this one here is all dictionaries, quotations, lots of old dictionaries, French dictionaries, English dictionaries. I have a couple of the French ones which I love. These are they have little pictures in as well on diagrams and things. These are just old children's books, Uncle Mac's books, which I like a lot, Happy Hours books. We have a couple of Enid Blyton, there's a Rupert Bear one. We have a kids section down the bottom, and more dictionaries there. On this shelf here, I bought these books because I thought I could actually, these are Wuthering Heights, Pride and Prejudice, Charles Dickens. They are just gorgeous covers on them. So I actually got these for the covers. If you see, look at that cover. So I don't know if I will turn that actually into a journal and use the cover. So I got those for the covers more than anything. If I can get that back in, because I'm doing this all one-handed. Then these are my little observer books, and these are just very cute. You've got birds and butterflies, which is the upside down, British butterflies I should say. And as you can see, there's lots and lots of butterfly pictures here. And then you've got the wildflowers ones, dogs, horses and ponies, insects, birds, wild animals. So I've got quite a collection of those. More dictionaries up here. These are old children's books, Enid Blyton, Water Babies. This is an old book. This one is, and this has some gorgeous images in. Some more of these children's Uncle Mac's books, Roy Rogers. Then I have some fairy tale ones. Oh my gosh. Gulliver's Travels. These are just very old, discoloured pages. Enid Blyton, Alice in Wonderland, which I need to pull out because I'm doing a journal. But look at this, how old this one is. The cover of this book is just gorgeous, and as you can see, it's kind of falling apart. This is 1910, is in the front of this book. But as you can see, they are very discoloured pages. I've dropped some on the floor. Right, so that I need to keep out because I'm actually going to use that in a journal. Then on the bottom I have just an array of children's books. Excuse the dust down there because the cat tray stays in here as well. Now up here are some older books. Let's have a look up here what we've got. Jane Austen up the top, and some really old books. Here we have the Letters of Queen Victoria. Just beautiful covers on books, and all sorts. Gone with the Wind. What's this? Wildflowers books, all sorts. This one is more poetry, and Jane Austen. Here we've got Rudyard Kipling, Tennyson, bird books, poems by Tennyson, the Pickwick Papers. Oh, that's supposed to be in my observer book collection. These are big print books. Another dictionary. More dictionary quotations. These are big books. One's a big atlas, and one has got lovely, gorgeous Victorian images. This one here is old newspapers and some other old books. Here we have, again, look at that crossword dictionary, that one is. Queen Victoria's sketchbook, which is just beautiful. There's some beautiful pictures in there. She was very, very good artist. Actually, in here are all old music books, and old magazines, etc., and some flower books. That's a map book, gardening book. We've got another garden section down below. Here there are some more children's books. Also the Brontes, encyclopedia children, for children, World's Children text. What's this? This is an old book. This one is World's Children. Oh, there are some beautiful images in this book. I love this book. This has some gorgeous images of children. Every other page is an image, if I can find them. As you can see, it has some gorgeous images of children in here. So that's a gorgeous book there. Let me just put that over. Oh, everything's so much harder when you're doing it one-handed. Right in there. Right, this one we have lots of these are arty books, so paintings by different painters and lovely gorgeous images. We've got great big music books. These are music sheets, music papers. These are lots and lots of old music books. They're very handy. And then this is my gardening section with lots of gardening books, as is on the bottom are all gardening books, and those are gardening books, and these are just all papers and children's books. So as you can see, I have a huge collection of books, lots and lots of books. Let's have a look what's on here. Edwardian Lady, I like all these books. The Concise British Flora in Colour, ballet book, an old Christmas book with adverts from 1922 to 1962. What's this one? Weddings in Paris. Oh, this is an old music book with lots of old music sheets, and these are the pocket book for buskers. Glamorous Night, again another music book. Lots and lots of books to keep me busy. So I have managed to put these in some order anyway. I mean, there's a bit muddled up because I've had to put them where I could. So this was a very quick video just to give you a little look into my world of books, vintage books that I have been collecting. So I will never be short of Name This Bird. Let's have a look. Oh, this has got lovely bird images. It's got some in colour. Look at these owls. You know, you can really you know, find some lovely books at the car boots and in the charity shops, for sure. This one is a very old book. I found this in my charity shop. It is so old, it is falling apart, and it had some old watery sort of letters. Look, I can see a date on them. It's too worn out to see a date, I think. But it had some old letters in the front, and it's got some adverts, and it's just an old book, which I'll just use all the pages for things. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Well, this is Easy French Dishes. This is an old book as well. Look at the front of this book. I do not know what year. Let's have a look. There's a thing written in the front, but 1900. This is French recipes from 1900. Yeah. So these will keep me busy for my journals. So I hope you've enjoyed this very quick little tour of my library. I'm going to be posh. This is my library. I'm not going to even show you the other half of this conservatory because it's a work in progress, but I'm going to just show you my books, and I will quickly show you my wallpaper books. Look, I have those down there, and I have all of those wallpaper books there to sort through. So I have a pretty big job at hand. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I shall see you all very soon. Hope you've enjoyed this little tour. Take care for now. Bye bye.